This is a final video to fix subtle screen flickering in Adobe Premiere Pro. And if you've been struggling with this annoying problem, you're not alone. Are you seeing your video preview blink or flash while editing? This usually happens because of mismatched playback settings or outdated GPU drivers that confuse Premiere Pro. Many guides online or on social media show long, complicated steps that are hard to follow and waste your time. But today, Rexus will share a simple trick that fixes this flickering in seconds without touching complicated menus or settings. You just need to adjust a few key settings inside Premiere, and your screen will play smoothly every time. If you want, comment below, and we'll make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to do it, so you can stop the flicker for good.